Okay, so in this video of creating assessment, you can see that I'm clicking create a new assessment. And I want to click item bank where I'm actually able to pre-select already created test questions. So all I have to do is click it. So in this video, you can see that I'm clicking it. I'm kind of stopping to make sure I'm doing everything correct. And I'm creating an assessment in standard mode. And I want to, again, pick any available public items. So I'm going to click that. And here it's going to ask me to name an assessment. And in this particular case, I was creating a 5th grade fractions assessment. And you can see sometimes I'm so fast at it that I have to go back or I'm typing too fast. Then I'm selecting the academic year. And I'm going to go ahead and select the grade level, which again was 5th grade. And it was math. So I'm going to click next. And again, I am moving very fast. You can tell I'm an expert at this, but we're assessing Common Core State Standards. And I'm clicking again the subject, which is math and 5th grade, which seems pretty easy. Then what we can do is go down here and click our domain. So I clicked numbers and operations, which was fraction, and you can tell that there were 647 items in the bank. So I wanted to pre-select what kind of questions would be on the test. So I went ahead and chose multiple choice. I also want to drop down questions. So I'm going to go ahead and update my filters so I'm only getting those questions. And in the video, I'm also showing you other types of questions that you could get. Also, scrolling down, you now see your questions that were filtered out, and you see it's multiple choice and drop down only. So I highlighted it there to choose that that was the question I wanted. So I added it to the test. Also, again, more multiple choice. And I keep clicking the questions that I want, and when I click add, that's adding the test questions to the final assessment. And again, at the top it says it's been created. And I went through this part pretty quickly to make sure I was in that 2-minute time frame. However, they have details, add item, and then publish. So finally I clicked publish. And then again, I usually scroll down just to kind of check that I did what date it was published on, just to show that it's the final product. And down here I went to show you that you see all the standards that it was linked to really make sure that we're being precise with creating assessments.